In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put your Canva presentation on a USB flash drive. So what you need to do is go to Canva and then find your presentation. So mine is just in recents, but you can go to projects and find it. Once you've opened up your presentation, what I would do now is plug in your USB flash drive. Once plugged in, Windows might recognize it and open it in File Explorer. If not, you can just go and open up File Explorer. Then if you go to this PC, you'll then be able to see the flash drive which you've just plugged in, which is great. Now what we can do is we can go to Share on Canva, and here we can go ahead and click on Download. Now we can download our presentation. So if we go to File Type, we can download it as a PowerPoint document, or you can also download it as an MP4 video. I'm going to download as a PowerPoint, and we'll click on Download. So now we've got it downloaded, we can go ahead and open up the downloads. So I'm going to again open File Explorer. I'm going to right click on Downloads and I'm going to open them in a new tab. Now in my downloads, I've got the PowerPoint presentation, which I can just right click and then copy. Once we've got it copied, we can head over to this PC and here we can go to our USB flash drive, right click and paste. And we've now pasted the PowerPoint document from Canva to our USB flash drive.